Welcome back to JRF Mechanical. Today we're working on taking that tire off and changing out that harmonic balancer, or the big pulley people call it. So you're going to get your 21 millimeter. You're going to need 3/4 inch. We'll break that loose. Hopefully you have an impact or electric impact to get it off. You can do the starter method where you put the socket on and a bar and crank it. And if the rotation is this way, then your bar will break it loose that way. So that's one other method. But it's a pretty simple job, and it just takes a little bit of time. You gotta take off your two belts. And it's probably the same motor. This is a 2.2. This is an 01. But last night, I was just gonna start the car up, and the came right off. The rubber had worn out. This has 190,000 miles. I did the tiny belt back about what is it? Yeah. So that's when I did it. That's when it's next due is 290, but. So I already saw it cracked when I was there, and here is the new one that I got on hand. Here's one of the part numbers right there, 13408-74031. Okay, so you'll have to make sure everything lined up the same. And anyway, so this should be pretty straightforward. And you'll be able to compare your new one and your old one. And we'll just take that off. And I didn't go very far at all. I was actually just pulled out, and it just snapped right when I just started the car. So it's a good catch, and you get your life out of it. Okay, well, I think you guys know how to do everything. 3/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or I'm sorry, 21 millimeter for the lug nuts, and then you can, I believe this bolt right here that does the power steering is 14, right? Double check. So you guys can, there's the 12 right here. So yeah, 12. My bad, 12 for that. So grab that socket out, and might be the 14 on the other one, but you can also loosen it. This one here to loosen it. And then you got your other bolt right here to loosen it. You have to loosen this one first to free it up, and then this one will change up and down. So, but yeah, this is ready to go. Okay, hopefully that helps you out. And just wanted to show you guys how to replace that. It's pretty easy. Just got to line that up with the keyway again. You don't have to mess with the timing. It's just right here. Okay, if you have any questions, I'll be glad to help out. And make sure you torque your lug nuts, and then torque them in a star pattern. Okay, you go here, 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 there, there. And then just gotta be on really tight. I don't know it on top of my head, but good and tight. But I'm probably gonna use my impact again, just do like 100 pounds or a little more, at least. Okay, thanks for watching.